and welcome to Tango for Beginners Lesson 2. Today we will learn basic reverse turn and reverse turn with lady outside and close finish. Let's welcome our demonstrators, Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to demonstrate these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy them.
We start with basic reverse turn, man steps. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, cross in front, then with right foot back to side and close, right foot to left foot. Lady starts with right foot, back to side, close, and with left foot, forward to side and close, left foot to right foot. Now let's take close hold, body contact and dance with count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And again, we take close hold, body contact and with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's put together basic routine. We start with man steps. Man starts with left foot, 2 walks, slow, slow, progressive link, quick, quick, close promenade, slow, quick, quick, slow, basic reverse turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now, from opposite direction, let's focus on lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, 2 walks, slow, slow, progressive link, quick, quick, close promenade, slow, quick, quick, slow, basic reverse turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look how we can modify 2 walks. So first we do 2 walks in straight line and then progressive link. So this is without curve version. And now we will curve 2 walks to left. So we curve and then progressive link. We open promenade in different direction. And now with close hold and body contact. First version without curve. And second version will be with curve, which is very handy if we have dance around corner. So 2 walks with curve and progressive link in new direction. And now routine to music. Let's look at open reverse turn, man steps. Man starts with left foot forward, to side, back, back, to side and close. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, to side, forward outside partner, forward, to side and close. Now let's take close hold, body contact and with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. From opposite direction with teaching count and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now let's look how we dance outside step. We start with 2 steps in which we turn to left, and now in third step, outside step, we do not turn. Now let's look what happens if we continue to turn to left on third step. Then we have wrong shape. And again, correct version of outside step. We do not turn on outside step and foot positions are in one line. And now basic routine. So we start with 2 walks, then progressive link, close promenade, and open reverse turn with lady outside and with close finish. And now from opposite direction with teaching count, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now to music. Let's thank our demonstrators Roberts and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.